Do you dream of speaking English not just correctly, but naturally? Do you want to sound confident, clear, and truly American when you talk? Maybe you feel a bit shy, or you worry about your accent or making mistakes. Well, I've got fantastic news for you. Today, we're diving into super easy daily practice techniques that will help even absolute beginners start speaking English like Americans. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being understood, being confident, and sounding more natural. If you're ready to unlock your American English voice, stick around.
Why American English? Why focus on American English? It's widely understood globally, prevalent in movies, music, and the internet, and if you have career or travel goals in the USA, it's incredibly valuable. But sounding American isn't just about vocabulary, it's about rhythm, intonation, and common phrases. Many beginners focus only on grammar and vocabulary, which are important, yes, but to sound natural, you need to understand the music of the language. And don't worry, you don't need to lose your beautiful native accent entirely. It's about clear communication.
Listen actively and repeat. Our first and most crucial daily practice is listen actively and repeat. This is how babies learn their first language, and it's incredibly powerful for you too. Choose short, clear audio. I recommend simple YouTube channels. Look for English for Beginners or Learn English Through Stories. Kids shows, Peppa Pig, Dinosaur Train, simple vocabulary, clear pronunciation. Podcasts. Search ESL Podcast or American English Pronunciation. Short news clips from sources like Voice of America, Learning English. Listen to a sentence or a short phrase, pause, and then try to copy exactly what you hear. Don't just copy the words, try to copy the intonation, the rise and fall of the voice, and the rhythm. Even if it feels silly, do it. A few minutes every day makes a huge difference.
Shadowing, your secret weapon. Building on active listening is a technique called shadowing. This is your secret weapon for pronunciation and fluency. Find a short audio or video clip. Just 30 seconds to a minute is perfect. Play it and try to speak at the exact same time as the native speaker. You're like an echo. It's difficult at first, but it forces your mouth muscles to produce sounds in a new way. Focus on connected speech. Americans often link words together, like gonna instead of going to. Reduce sounds, weak vowels and dropped sounds, like wanna for want to. Rhythm and stress, which words are emphasized in a sentence. Start with slower audio and gradually increase speed. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. It builds muscle memory for your mouth and tongue.
Master common American phrases and idioms. Americans use a lot of specific phrases and idioms that aren't literal. Learning these will make you sound much more natural. This is about conversational fluency, not just textbook English. Instead of just learning individual words, learn phrases like, "What's up? How's it going? No worries. Hang out. My bad. Hit me up." Practice using these phrases in your head or out loud. For example, instead of "I want to speak with you," try, "Can I hit you up later?" Start with just 2 to 3 new phrases each week. There are tons of apps and websites dedicated to American English idioms. Practice incorporating them into your daily thought conversations. Talk to yourself. This might sound a little crazy, but it's incredibly effective. Talk to yourself in English. Seriously, you are your most patient conversation partner. Narrate your day, like, "Okay, I'm gonna make some coffee now. I gotta leave for work in 5 minutes. What do I want to have for dinner?" Describe objects around you. Describe your feelings. Make a mental grocery list out loud. This builds fluency, helps you think in English, and identifies where you struggle. Don't worry about perfection. Just keep talking. Even 5 to 10 minutes while you're getting ready in the morning or doing chores is powerful. Record yourself and self-correct. This is where you become your own best teacher. Record yourself and then listen back. Use your phone's voice recorder. Read a short paragraph from a book or practice those phrases you learned. Then listen to your recording. Compare it to a native speaker's audio. Do you hear the difference in intonation? Are you stressing the right words? Are your th sounds clear? It might feel uncomfortable at first, but it's crucial for identifying your unique pronunciation challenges. Don't judge yourself, just observe and try to correct it next time. Even a couple of minutes of recording and listening can lead to massive improvements in your clarity and confidence. There you have it, 5 incredibly effective daily practices to help you speak English like Americans, even if you're just starting out. Listen actively and repeat. Shadowing. Master common phrases. Talk to yourself. Record and self-correct. Remember, consistency is key. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day, spread throughout your morning or evening, will make a monumental difference. Don't strive for perfection, strive for progress.